Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to unpair Bluetooth speaker in OPPO phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. Then here you will see many app icon. Click on the setting icon first. Then here you will see many more options. Then you have to scroll down and click on the Bluetooth option. Here you will see Bluetooth is off, so firstly turn on Bluetooth. After that turn on your Bluetooth speaker. Then
Welcome to MC Music World. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
after that here you will see this is already connected or paired to our mobile phone. If you want to unpair Bluetooth speaker in your mobile phone, then click on the detail icon first, then click on the unpair
Is
option,
connected.
and here you will see in this way Bluetooth speaker is unpaired to your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.